You can promote your Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, but there is one step. If you don't take that, no matter how much traffic you send from your YouTube channel to the Amazon affiliate link, you will earn $0. You will not earn any commission. And in this video I'm going to show you what is that step which you must take before you promote your Amazon affiliate links on the YouTube. By the way, if you are new to the Amazon affiliate marketing, I have already made 2 videos. In the first video I have shown you how you can create the Amazon affiliate account, and in the second video I have shown you how you can get the Amazon affiliate link for the products which you want to promote. The Amazon allows you to promote the links on the YouTube and on the social media accounts and also onto your website, but there is a requirement that you must give the URL of the website or the YouTube channel or your social media account on which you want to promote that link. So in order to promote the Amazon affiliate product onto your YouTube channel, you have to give the YouTube URL into your Amazon affiliate account. So for that you have to first open up your Amazon associate account, and within the Amazon affiliate account you have to go to your account setting by clicking the account setting from your account over here. In the account information, the second point is edit your websites and mobile app list. Here you can add the URL of your YouTube channel by clicking this, then going to your YouTube channel, copying your YouTube channel link, and then coming back to the Amazon associate account. And towards the right side you can add the mobile apps if you have any. You can add that link over here, and if you for the websites and for YouTube channel you have to paste your link here, click add, and your YouTube channel link will be added here. And from now on you can promote any of the product in your YouTube description. You have to search for the product and then you have to go to the Amazon associate strip on the top, copy the link from there, and then you can go back to your YouTube channel, edit your YouTube video description, and you can paste that link into your YouTube video description. And in this way you can earn money when somebody buys this product by clicking the link from the YouTube and coming over to the Amazon and buying that product. See if there is anything which is still not clear, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you have found some value in this video, do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.